So now that you've been given the background to the situation at Independent University, we want to dive into Kotter's 8 steps. So the rest of the slides are actually going to be our different solutions to the issues that are going on here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to create urgency. So really in this step, we want to help people realize that change is necessary. And it's very needed because if we don't do these steps, slow death is going to be a reality. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to use that urgency to form a powerful coalition, right? So we're going to try to convince people to get on board and support the movement. Step 3, we're going to create a vision, right? A clear vision for people to understand. And step 4, we're going to communicate that vision. It's important to realize that in step 4, it's not just going to be like, check, we're done. We're actually going to be continuing to communicate the vision throughout the entire process. Step 5 is removing obstacles. So just to help avoid letting people get discouraged or losing motivation, we're constantly going to be getting rid of, if people have negative attitudes, trying to deal with that, or even systematic problems that are kind of in the way, just constantly removing obstacles. And sometimes when we do that, we're actually going to have we're going to assign people to specific roles that like their job is to just remove obstacles. Along the same lines of keeping people motivated, we're going to be creating short-term wins. So step 6 is just short-term goals, quick victories, and that's just going to be used to keep people's hopes up and let them see like the immediate benefits, the immediate effects of this change. Along the same line, step 7 is going to be build on the change. So as we do implement small changes and quick wins, we don't want to stop there. We don't want to count our chickens before they hatch. We don't want to say we've achieved victory before we actually reach step 8, which is to anchor the change deep within the culture of Independent University. So that's kind of our 8-step process, and we'll talk more in detail on those in the next slides.